Okay, next step, you may or may not need, depending on which approach you took. If you took the private training one-on-one, you won't need this, or you will need this, sorry, if you're doing the private training one-on-one with me. But if you're doing the group training like most people do, you won't need it. But let's go ahead and go over in case you do. What you're going to do is type in AnyDesk in your Google search. You'll hit enter. You'll go over to the very first one. It says AnyDesk.com. Come over to here. It's going to open up. You download it now. It's free. There's nothing else to do. You download it. And of course, once it's downloaded, you just open it up. And you, right here, you open it up. And you can show in the folder if you like. And then the folder will pop open here. And you double click it. It will install. Once it installs, you then will open up your AnyDesk. And it will look just like this when you do. And you'll read me slowly 145, and I'll probably say yes sir, yes ma'am, 637, 742, and then you will read me that. I will type it into mine, and then I will go ahead and click enter. When I do that, you have to hit the accept button 2, 3, 4, 5 times, whatever it is. Just keep giving me full access to your computer, and then do not move your mouse once I'm inside your computer. Okay. If you don't have AnyDesk downloaded and this is a one-on-one session, you will be forced to leave the session and we're done. And you'll have to be rescheduled for 3 to 4 weeks out. Please do not move your mouse once AnyDesk is open so I can check on things and make sure your computer is okay. If you have more than one screen open, like you have 2 or 3 monitors, close down all other monitors except for one. Have only one monitor open when I come into your computer. Otherwise, again, you will have to leave the training session and be rescheduled for 3 to 4 weeks out. Hope this helps, and I'll be talking to you in just a minute about a few other things. Thank you all, and God bless.